I know, it's hard. You gotta get a better bubble thing. Ah, you did it! You did it! No, don't put it in your mouth. Not in your mouth. That's soap. It's so good. You're so smart. Almost. That's the way to do it. You're right. Let's try again. Ready? Yeah, I'll hold it.
Try that big bubble thing.
See, it doesn't work. It doesn't work. I can't even do it. Gotta wait for the wind. Oh, here comes the wind. Okay, now it'll work.